Keep crimping these things, they keep falling off. Ah! Those are all these damn things. Problem is the wire's still here. I haven't lost the wire yet. There we go. Well, they're small. I don't know what the hell's going on. It goes in all the way into that deep. It's in there all the way. She goes in. Oh well. I'll flip the plier over the other way this time. Maybe that's the problem. I don't know. I can't remember the last time I had problems with crimping wires. It feels like I'm just pushing on plastic. Oh, look at that. I'm crimping on plastic. So if you look in there where my crimp is, it's right on the edge of the terminal. So I need to be right up in there as far as I can get to crimp it. I'm just on plastic. But that time I did cut the wire off. So I know it's close. It's ridiculous. It's almost like I'm using Harbor Freight stuff. This isn't. Maybe that's the problem. I should be. Okay. I'm going to do this again. I will not go in there because it's too long. It doesn't even start crimping until you're way up to the very end. This one we're not going that far. It should be on it, but I'll pull some more of this insulation off. That looks like it's only deep enough. Alright. Can't get any further in. I feel solid. Okay, I didn't pull off that time. Man, that's a new one on me. That's 5 terminals. These aren't made right. See, there's where the terminal's at. That thing should be an 1/8 inch taller. for you to crimp in correctly. That thing is way at the very base. That's stupid. They look like they're good parts, but they must be made in China. Garbage. Alright, well, looks like I screwed up enough times I made it work. Okay, so slide the insulator over it if it'll go. There it goes. Alright, we're triple coated. Should be good. Keep it off of the frame. Put some zip ties on that and call it done. Where's some zip ties at? I didn't get any of those yet. How many zip ties do we have? I don't know. Good thing we got a lot more of those because we're going to need more. 5 to 1, that's not very good. Alright, zip ties. No. Yes. Small ones. What are these ugly ones? Big long ass ones. What in here? What's in this one? There's a motor in my way. Let me pull the drawer open. What's in there? There's the small white ones. Here, it's an Indian. We like cosmetic. We're going to put the ugly white ones on here so it matches the white line. Good thing I didn't find the yellow ones and put those on there. Do it like we're proud of it. Okay, so we're going to put one right down here on the bottom. And put one right up here at the top. And then somewhere in the middle. Yeah, that's how I do it. Two more. I got put on the wrong side. Oops. Oh well. Too bad. Okay, this can slide down a little bit. Some extra length in there. And that's good. I'm going to turn the bar, make sure it does not get crammed with the steering damper. I don't know, the fork lock. There is no fork lock there to hit, it's not a Harley. There's no fork lock, so it doesn't hit anything. Got plenty of room. Put that sucker way up in there now. See, it doesn't hit anything. Nothing there to hit. You do that on a Harley, you'll cut the thing off. So this way I can hide it up there. Get it out of the way. Have to look at it. Okay. Slide it up a little further. Pull this tight. Hold it good and tight so it won't move. Put them all flush with a good pair of dikes. These are my go-to dikes. They work for everything. Croda made them good 30, 40 years ago. 40 years ago, probably. Maybe more than that. 45 years ago, maybe. Yeah, they still work, even though they're chipped and broken. They still work better than any plier I got. Even those big dollar ones I don't like at all. Alright, that looks pretty good. Should be good to go. Not hitting anything. Everything's good and tight. Wonder if the brake works. Think the brake works? I don't know. Let's find out. Up, 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 up. It doesn't drag either. That's even better. Look at that. No drag. I like that. That's a good brake. Low drag. Look at that. That thing spins pretty good. Don't grease it. It makes more drag. Look at that. That's pretty free. That's damn good. The brakes got zero drag. The bearings don't have much drag because they're worn out. The seals are worn out, so there's not much grease in it. So low drag. Look at that thing. It just keeps spinning and spinning and spinning. That's great. That's nice. Look at that. That's how it's supposed to be. Good. Alright, we gotta get this thing finished up. Alright, we'll be back.